Hello everyone, my name is Bree. I'm an occupational therapy student at Stockton University, and I'm going to be showing you a little tutorial about how to make a paper woven basket just like this. Right now it is currently holding some Sharpie markers, which is one of the materials that you're going to need. You're going to need Sharpie markers, a roll of duct tape, either construction paper or printer paper, any sort of glue. You can use hot glue, Elmer's glue, glue stick. I chose crazy glue. I already told markers that can hold this, and then scissors. So to start the basket, you're gonna wanna start by cutting your paper, either your construction paper or printer paper, into 8 strips about 1 inch wide. You are going to need a 9th strip, but that will be later on. After you finish with your 8 strips, I just did some cool designs on 4 of the different strips. I did stripes, swirlies, polka dots, and then I did smiley faces. This next step gets a little difficult, but you want to start with your smiley face strip or whatever one you want to start with first, and you're going to go over the one strip, underneath the next one, over the one strip, and then underneath the next one. And then, as you can see for the polka dots, I did the opposite formation as I did for the smiley face strip. So I went under first and then over, under first and then over. The stripes should be the same as the smiley face, as the swirlies are the same as the polka dots. Once you are all finished with that, I end up flipping mine over, so the design is now going to be on the outside of my basket. So now this next step, you are going to start by folding every single piece inwards. And each tab that is not going over another tab, but is laying on top, you are going to crazy glue, hot glue, Elmer's glue, down to that piece of paper. Just like how I'm doing here, that one is lifted up, so I am gluing that down. You are going to repeat this process for all 4 sides, and you are going to make sure that all of the corners are glued down as well. Your next step, you're going to take your longer 9th piece that should still be 1 inch wide, and what you're going to do is you're going to weave that piece to form the basket, and you're going to follow the under-over pattern with the outside pieces. So if the first piece goes under, that means the next piece should go over. After this, the leftover paper can be folded inward and then trimmed or glued to the inside of the basket. The last and final step is to take 2 around foot-long pieces of duct tape. You're going to take the one and then get another one and fold that halfway over the other one. You're going to fold the sticky side over the dark side, and then you're going to repeat the process on the other side. After you completed this, you should have 1 black strip. You are then going to glue the first side onto one side of the basket and then glue the other side onto the other side of the basket. Make sure you press firmly. So this is what the final product should look like. You see the handles are on both sides with the duct tape. I currently have mine holding 5 scrunchies, so just little hair ties. This is meant to hold just lighter weight things, maybe paper clips, some office supplies, or even hair ties like I showed you. And yeah, so that was your tutorial on how to make a woven paper basket.